Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we've got a 2027 Harris Sunliner 230. This boat is in the slate gray with the matte black accent. It is powered by a 300 Mercury outboard. It is equipped with the lily pad ladder. You have your fender holders and safety chain so you can ride backwards while on the way. Stepping up on the back of the boat, you've got your ski bar, large sun lounger with cup holders, your stereo with radio controls, lighted cup holders, plenty of room for your guest. That is a dual captain chair with a raised helm, which is part of the Sunliner package. Equipped with a wet sound radio with a sub. You got your Simrad screen, wireless charger. It also keeps your phone out of the weather. Your famous DTS with your profile active trim. Stepping up front, you've got nice lounger here, plenty of storage. Storage right here would be a great spot for your anchor. And then this is designed for your trash can. All your compartments are sealed. Keeps the water away from the floor, completely encapsulated, along with the drain. Keeps your items in your boat dry. You got a ski locker, large bimini top. Your sun lounger will also face forward. Makes a nice day on the water. And then that'll lay completely flat for a sun lounge. Thank you for watching. It's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Once again, we've got a 2027 Harris Sunliner 230. Please visit us here at MarineMax Lake Ozark. You can always visit us 24 hours a day at marinemax.com.